one or more photos has been virtually staged. Welcome to 20 Barkley Lane, Easy Living in Palm Coast. Come check out this well-kept 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with over 1,600 square feet of comfortable living space, all on one level. Located in a quiet, established neighborhood, this home has that laid-back Florida vibe with plenty of extras to love. Inside, you'll find ceramic tile floors throughout, no carpet anywhere, which makes cleaning a breeze and keeps things cool year-round. The open layout gives the home a bright, airy feel, and the kitchen offers plenty of space with its eat-in kitchen. Step out back to your close and extra room, the perfect spot to enjoy morning coffee, read a book, or relax bug-free after a long day. The backyard is spacious, giving you room to play, garden, or even plan a pool down the line. You're also just minutes from Flagler Beach, shopping, parks, and golf. And with a brand new hospital being built nearby, this area is only getting better in terms of convenience and long-term value. Whether you're looking for a first home, a retirement spot,